Hello, our project of the week is on a 52-foot Tiara Sovran. Unfortunately, when they manufactured this boat, they did not make the dinette to accommodate for a bed. Rather, the dinette table just folds in like that. No cushion, no nothing. Customer has a few kids and would like to utilize it as a bed. So he contacted us to take care of that for him. And that's exactly what we did. Right here is a brand new filler cushion that was fabricated. If you notice, the bottom side of it is molded to fit in the gaps of the leaves of the table, as you can see. Also, it has two straps to facilitate strapping the cushion down to the table to keep it totally secure and locked in place. It fits in there just like so. Looks like factory, feels like factory. Feel free to call Kompletely Kustom for any other custom project requests that you may have. Have a good day.